As I grew up, I began to gain an interest for astrophysics. I often wondered about the eternal universe or if it really is eternal. Most people believe that the universe is infinite, it always has existed, and it always will exist. Over the years, I have learned to believe that the universe is not static, but in fact is of a finite distance and is exponentially expanding, starting from an infinitely dense singularity and expanding to consist of everything that we can and cannot see. I believe that the universe is not infinite. I had first based my belief on this matter from the collective ideas of Albert Einstein, Carl Sagan, Isaac Newton, and Stephen Hawking. I had learned about their findings from books, educational programs, and online articles. I thought that this was interesting, so I got more involved and started asking my own questions that hopefully I would be able to find the answers to. These scientists believe that the universe is not infinite because in an infinite universe there would be an infinite number of stars. Assuming for a moment that the universe is infinite and there are an infinite number of stars, then at night we can say that if we look up at the night sky, then we would see a star in every direction, in every line of sight. In other words, the sky would be all white all the time. Not only that, but the radiation from all those stars would surely irradiate the Earth. There is, however, an intensity formula that some say contradicts the idea that in an infinite universe the intensity may not be the same, making it impossible to see a dark night sky speckled with stars. Through intensive study, I decided to put this to the test. Once I had completed this, I had come to realize that in the two formulas I was comparing, the variable r, which stands for radius and represents distance, had been cancelled out. In other words, in an infinite universe, distance does not matter when considering intensity. This made the opposing view void, therefore I came to the conclusion that the universe is in fact finite and is of a measurable distance. Through my endeavors, my beliefs were tested and changed, but my belief is something that I adamantly stand by. While this is a confusing matter to understand, it was something that I understood and sought to fully comprehend.